Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you 5 beginner to advanced endgame tricks explained. Today is endgame tricks day. Every second day, I am going to give you one long video, and every day I give 2 short video. That's why I am going to give you today 5 beginner to advanced endgame tricks explained in English. Okay, this is first tricks for endgame section. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is white turn. Count white win the game. Do you think black win the game? You can see here I am explaining right now. This pawn if come here get a queen. That's why this queen go to there and make a check, and he will attack this kind of pawn. Okay, we will see. First move is, I am going to teach you. First move is queen h5 and beautiful check. After that, king go to e3. After that, queen d1. This is the best move white played. Now black king cannot do anything, and you can see here I am going to teach you this king come to here. Okay, we will see how to handle this particular chess game. Okay, now white turn. White played, black turn. Black played king d3, white king d6. This is king c3, king e5, king d3, king f4, and king c3. Then king go to e3. The sixth move. Now king go to there. This is the only way he will do. Okay, then beautiful pawn cut by the white queen. Okay, then king go to there and a4. This game easily win white because white has queen and king. Okay, this is the first endgame tricks. Okay, today is endgame tricks day. Okay, let's go to the second endgame tricks for beginner to advanced chess players. Okay, let's go to the second endgame tricks. Okay. So, chess friends and chess lovers, welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you second endgame tricks. Okay, this is 5 beginner to advanced level endgame tricks for every chess player. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is white turn. White playing amazingly e cross f6. Then black played g cross f6. Then h5. Then f5. Then h cross g6. Then king go to there. Now king pawn go to g7. Then king come to the here. This is the big blunder he made. Then pawn go to there d7. Then cut the pawn by the king. Then get the queen. Totally this game white win because white has so many pieces and white got a beautiful white queen. Okay, that's why this game easily win white. This is endgame tricks day. Okay, this is second beginner to advanced in level endgame tricks. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the third endgame tricks. Okay, so chess friends and chess lovers, welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. This is third endgame tricks. Today is endgame tricks day. You can see how to white and black make a stalemate of this particular chess game. You can see here this particular chess game have black has a king, a rook, white has double pawn and bishop. You think white get a beautiful queen, but here white cannot get a queen. Okay, because black king come to closer and the rook is there. If you cut the rook by the pawn, that's it. This is the end game chess tricks. What nobody can win the game. Okay, I am going to explain and analyze easily. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is queen c7. Then a cross b6 and beautiful check. Then king go to b8. That's it. Now king go to b7. Now he cannot go anywhere. This king cannot go anywhere. That's why this game ended in a stalemate. Okay, this is the beautiful endgame section. Let's go to the fourth endgame section. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. In today's video, this is fourth endgame tricks. Okay, every chess players must know. White has two bishop and a king. Black has a king. You can see how to why to win the game. Okay, I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch and finish this video. First move. Bishop go to b2 and beautiful check. Then king go to there, d5. Then white king go to here on c2. Then black king go to here on d6. After that, white king go to here in d3. d3. We will see how to handle this match black. Now black turn. Black played amazingly. Now black pushed the king to here on c5. After that, this bishop go to here on bishop a5. Then king go to here in b4. After that, bishop go to here on d4. Then king go to there. Okay, this particular chess game, white need to bring the king to close to the enemy king. Okay, this is the key movement. Okay, and fifth move is done. And sixth move of white. White playing amazingly now. Bishop d7. Then king go to here in a5. Then white king go to a c4. Then black king go to here on a6. Okay, then white king go to here on c5. Eighth move. Now king come to a5. After that, white bishop come to here, dark square bishop come to c3 and beautiful check. Then king go to there in a6. Then white bishop go to there in c8 and beautiful check. Then only way, king go to a7. Then bishop go to here on bishop e5. If go to there a8, then push the king to closer to enemy king. This is 12th move of white and white plays amazingly king c6. Then black playing here to a6. Okay, then white king go to there c7. Now king go to there, and we will see how to handle this much white. White playing amazingly, bishop go to there in b7 and brilliant check. Okay, if king come to here, then beautiful checkmate with white bishop come to d4 and beautiful check. In 15 move, white win by checkmate. This is the beautiful endgame section, double bishop and a king, how to make the beautiful checkmate. This is endgame tricks. Okay, today is endgame tricks day. Let's go to the fifth endgame tricks. Okay, chess friends and chess lovers, welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. This is fifth and last endgame section. You never miss this video. This particular chess game, white has a bishop and knight, black has a king. In some moves, white win by checkmate. You can see how to white win the game. First move is black turn. Okay. First move is black turn. How to black win the game. Okay. Now black go to there in f8. Then knight go to f5. Okay. Then king go to e8. After that, 33 move. Okay, third move of white hand. Bishop h4, and we will see king go to f8. Then bishop made a beautiful check e7. Then black go to g8, and we will see how to handle this match. Then white king go to f6. Then king go to h7, black king go to h7. After that, white king go to f7. Then king go to there in h8. After that, king come to g6. Then king come to g8, black king come to g8. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. Okay. White playing amazingly now. Knight go to here on h6 and beautiful check. Then king go to there h8. Then boom, 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 boom. Beautiful checkmate with bishop f6 and beautiful checkmate. This is endgame Rick's day today. Okay, that's why I am going to give you 5 different chess endgames for a beginner to advanced level chess players. Okay, that's it today video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.